Hey, I'm Hannah. This morning I'm at the Smith marketing neighborhood called Asher at Lake Brandt. This is a home by D Stone Builders, so you know they have exciting design touches, and this home doesn't disappoint. The folks at Smith Marketing describe the maintenance-free townhomes in Asher as having enhanced floor plans that are customizable to each homeowner's needs. And enhanced these townhomes are indeed. The heart of any home is the kitchen, but how the kitchen relates to the second most important room, the den, is equally important. Today's lifestyle calls for open, airy spaces for family and friends to come together. And so often, the space defines the quality of the experience. This space is lovely. It's very bright and open due to the transom lights and the interesting bay window, which serves as the dinette area. The fireplace makes for an inviting centerpiece, and if these homeowners decide to forego a television in this room, it won't be missed. The kitchen is adjacent with a large island making a statement of its own, and there's a bar area so that the host can serve drinks while the chef works on dinner. The formal dining room is defined by beautiful trim work. I love how there are only 2 walls so the dining area can contract and expand seamlessly depending on how many guests are invited to dinner. While this home is made for entertaining, it'll be a true pleasure for some lucky family to wake up to each day.